Let's see one of the gate question which was asked in the year 2005. Consider the following C program. Like they have given here a few lines of code in the form of functions. One is foo function, another one is a main function. The above code compiled without any error or warning, meaning that they're clearly saying that the above functions are not going to provide any errors. But if line 1 is deleted, the above code will show, right? Line 1 they mentioned here. So if we are going to delete this one, guys, basically before main method, if you are going to write any kind of function headings, we will call them as prototypes, right? Function prototype, meaning that compiler has to know what kind of functions you are going to use inside the respective C program. So those respective prototype you are going to define after the header files, right? So by simply seeing this line, I can able to understood that, oh, further in this particular program I am going to use a function called foo function, which is taking double as one parameter and which is returning double as value. By simply seeing that prototype, I can able to directly understood. But here they are saying that if we are going to remove this line one, what is going to happen? That is what they are asking. There will be no compile warning or error. Some compiler warnings not leading to unintended results. Some compiler warnings due to type mismatch eventually leading to unintended results. Compiler errors. Guys, here you have to think one important point. Compiler error means if it is going to violate any kind of syntax errors, obviously it is going to simply throw compile error. Compiler, right? So here they are saying that there won't be any kind of compiler error or warning error. But you have to understood here, the point is whenever we are going to call a function, observe in the main method, it is going to call a function called foo function, right? Whenever you're going to call a function foo function, the compiler searches for the prototype, right? If the prototype is available, it is going to check for its return type. Its return type. Return type is double. Return type is double, and then it will move to the respective function foo, and it is going to return a which is of type double. There is no problem in that. But the thing is, they are going to remove this line one. They are going to remove this line one. Now we are calling the function foo. Then compiler searches for the prototype. Is there any prototype exists here? No, because we removed the line one. After removing the line one, compiler will thought that there is no prototype defined. Then it will take the implicit return type of the function. Implicit return type of the function. So the implicit return type of the function is integer. Integer, right? And then control will move to the actual function and it will perform its process. It is, I am just simply saying the process. It performs its process and trying to return a. But a is here what? Some double only. But the thing is, according to function structure, here it is double. Here it is double. And according to the program, according to the compiler thinking, it is integer. Here the return type is double. Here the return type it is thinking that it is integer. So it got some kind of conflict, right? So conflict means simply it is violating the language developer rules, right? As it is violating the language developer rules, obviously it is going to throw error. That error is compiler error. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. So obviously option A is going to be wrong because there is no compile or something like that, and some compiler warnings. So this is not warning. So as it is violating the rule of language developers, so simply it is going to throw compiler error. I hope you understood clearly. Thank you.